Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started a STAAD Pro tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to show you that how we'll draw a stair in STAAD Pro and how we'll analyze that and design that. So let's start. And if you're new here, you can watch the previous video for STAAD Pro version number 8i and series 6. So here is our plan of a staircase, and we'll draw that staircase. So here we're seeing that the landing are 1 meter, here gap between two slide is 0.2 meter, and floor to floor height is 3 meter. That's why from that point to from that point to top point height is 1.5 meter. From that level to that level height is 1.5 meters, and the slide width is 2 meter. So first of all, I'll draw STAAD Pro software, and from here I'll go here, new project. After that I'll go space, and here staircase. Sorry. And analysis and design. After that we'll use that meter, and our force unit will be kilonewton, meter kilonewton. So press next, press OK. After that add beam, OK, then finish. So from here we'll draw our stair. Before that we'll edit that, go edit, and from here spacing, we'll give spacing as the two way, by using node or by using that grid. So first of all I'll show you by using that node. So here first of all we'll draw that 2 point, that point and that point, and after that we'll draw that slide. So here, and we have to give here the distance spacing. So from here I'll give distance spacing 0.5. It's up to you, that you can use anything. 0.5 here, 0.5. okay, it's 0.5, and also you can increase that. Sorry, here suppose we can consider 15, and also 15 into 15 grid. So press OK. After that we'll go here, and from that point we'll draw our stair. So from figure here we're seeing that is our first point, or that point we can draw first. So this is our first point. We'll consider that in 0. So this is our first point, and one thing we have to calculate the vertical distance of our here we can see that that's length are 3 meter, the length are 3 meter. So from here and height are 1.5 feet. So from here I'll go here. From that point it's 3 meter and height is 1.5, sorry, not feet, 5 meter. So click here. After that I'll go for 1 meter here, 1 meter landing. So here 1 meter landing, and we know that after that point, okay, so we have draw that and we'll go here. Sorry, in my case it's here. You will find that here I have changed that. If you see my previous video, they have some change, and in this video I'm going to change. I have moved our tools here and some here to make my windows big. So press here, snap node or beam. So here is our that 2 point. After that, if again we'll click here, snap node or beam, and from here we'll go here, we'll click that point, and from here it's 1.5 feet and it will be 3 feet. It will be 3 feet height. So press here and again go here. Okay, it's done. Our almost work are done. Then we'll use beam cursor, sorry, here beam cursor, and we'll select all beam by pressing Ctrl and we'll press delete. Then it's showing beam and associate physical beams, if any, will be deleted. Okay, and in next time it's showing deleting beams has left some nodes with no structural element. Do you want to delete those nodes? No. So press no. Now founder, that's not. Now here is the important work for us. So if we select that node, okay, we'll use node cursor, then press Ctrl and select that node, and as we have selected that nodes, we'll suppose we have drawn that point and relevant that point. Now we'll draw that point for that point and that point. So its length will be, its value will be 2 meter, and in z direction, I mean minus z direction. So after selecting that, press Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V, and here minus 2 meter. Press OK. So if you see that, it's okay now. After that, we'll again select that point, and also we'll select that point, and also that point, and we'll move that for that 0.2 meter. So press Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, it will be in plus Z direction, so it will be 0.2 meter. Then OK. After that, sorry, click here to go undo. Will not copy that, will move. I'll copy only that point and I'll move that point. So I'll copy only to that 2 point. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and 0.2. Press OK. and I'll move that point. So to move that point, you can right click here and cut from here, move from here, but I will use shortcut. Select that, Ctrl plus X, yes, then Ctrl plus V, it's 0.2 Z direction. So it's done. After that, we'll select, if we go from positive Y, here we're saying that we'll only select that 3 nodes and we'll copy that, copy, then Ctrl plus V, and we'll draw that step, that point, and that point. So it will be also 2 meter away. So in the positive Z direction, 2 meter, press OK. Okay, you are seeing that we have drawn every point. Now we'll go for, if we see in 3D mode, here is our point. Now we'll press here, or now we'll go for, we can see from here, view from positive Y. Now we'll draw our plates, so we can click here, add 4 node plates. So again we'll go here in 3D mode, I mean isometric view, and from here we'll join our beam and plate. So if we see here, first of all we'll joint that plate, after that plate, and after that landing. So here we'll go here, add 4 nodes plate. So click here, and this is our first point, this is our second point, this is our third point, and this is our fourth point. It's done. After that, again we'll go here, this is the first point, this is the second point, this is the third point, and this is the fourth point. And after that we'll go for here, this is the first point, this is the second point, third point, and fourth point. So we have done that, and click on node cursor, just scroll your mouse. Here you are seeing that if we go in 3D mode, here 3D mode, so you're seeing that we have give a shape of our stair. So here it's done. So in our next video I will start from that point, because our video are being lengthy. So I think you will be with me, and if you think that that's helpful for you, just press the like button, so that I can understand that's really helpful for you. And also you can watch the many video in our channel that are available about many design software. So thank you.